ever since we got our Jeep, there's one thing we knew we just had to do. Our journey to Moab would not be complete if we didn't accomplish this one thing. Up Gemini Bridges Road is a rock formation called the Gooney Bird. The goal, no matter what you drive, is to touch the feet of the Gooney Bird. Some will say that it's bad luck to touch the feet of the Gooney Bird. Some will say it's good luck. I prefer to believe the latter. This was the moment. This was what I was waiting for. Finally, touch the feet of the infamous Gooney Bird. Would we have good luck? Or were the rumors of bad luck true? Well, we were soon to find out.
Wow, that was dramatic.
Yeah, well, anyway. We continued our journey down Gemini Bridges Road as we made our way to Canyonlands National Park. Gemini Bridges Road is a mild trail with only one real optional obstacle, I would say. The arches themselves are alcove-type arches, which we observe from a distance.
Standing in the wind.
After our brief stop, we made our way into Canyonlands National Park, Island in the Sky District. There yesterday, Elephant Hill, I think, way over there. And there, you can see the Green River.
The views here were absolutely breathtaking. sky is separated from the rest of the Colorado Plateau by this narrow strip of land named the Neck.
We're gonna go do Shafer Hill as a little practice for fins and things tomorrow. Shafer Trail at Island in the Sky District of Canyonlands National Park is an iconic road that descends 1,500 feet through colorful, massive sandstone cliffs.
This was a fun and easy road to drive along the many cliffs and switchbacks. Other than the massive drop-off, if you don't pay attention, it's not as bad as you would think. Insert dramatic music here.
First switchback coming up pretty soon. So the story goes, a guy named Shafer drove his cows up this thing. And if I was a cow, I'd be like, no.
Did you hear my eyes roll?
How you doing? It's like really windy out there. There's a wind advisory and it is just insane. Every now and again, this wind will blow through here and just kick up a dust storm.
Kind of felt sorry for the bikers who chose to ride up the trail today. It was incredibly windy and dusty.
You got me acting out. All tenderness is out the window. What you do to me when the cold bites blue is straight cool. Oh, it has to be you. worst kind you've ever dreamed.
Now that we were at the bottom, we thought the road would improve, but it actually got a little rougher.
Don't wanna walk another mile, I just can't. Please don't make me do it. I got too much to lose.
We finally made our way up to Thelma and Louise Point, the shot of the famous movie where they go over the cliff edge. We wanted to get a shot of the Jeep there, but unfortunately there were quite a few people waiting for their turn, so we moved on a little further down the road.
Willow trees have died and the last horn lark will fly. Got me feeling dusty, got me feeling dusty. Please tell me it's a dream, worst kind you've ever dreamed.
We loved taking in the views of the Colorado River below, but when we went to leave, I checked, double-checked, and checked again that I was in reverse.
You can't turn the tide, let the water go where it wants to go. Yourself beneath the stones. Somebody told me don't pretend, 'cause everyone could use a friend sometimes. Take some good advice. Don't let your fear decide. That's how you break inside.
For the final leg of our journey, we drove past the Potash Ponds. What is potash, you might ask? I really have no idea. The ponds normally look so colorful from above, but the wind today made them seem a little more blah.
Let me take a breath. Let me be a part of something real.
After consulting the source of all knowledge, we discovered that potash is used mostly in fertilizer. So there you go.
Don't let your fear decide. That's how you break inside. You don't need to worry. Somebody's waiting down the line to pick up the pieces. Hey, you'll be alright. You'll be alright.
What type of ash?
Potash.
Potash. No, what?
Not potash, potash.
That's how you break inside. You don't need to worry. Somebody's waiting down the line to pick up the pieces. Hey, you'll be alright. There will be someone waiting down the line.
We hope you enjoyed watching our video. Don't forget to give a like and subscribe. It really helps our channel. Thanks for watching.